Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. In today's video, we are making snippet rolls with those scraps from the frame projects that I made. Here they are. These frames I made in another video. We are using these scraps up and making snippet rolls in two different ways. Let's get started. So I have all these scraps and I have this. Now, usually you'd use fabric or sometimes you use adding machine tape. This is this thin, weird thing that was listed as a table runner on Temu. We're just going to use this. So I'm going to slice off and cut off a piece. Will it tear? No, it won't tear. I'm going to cut off a piece. And then I'm going to just cut strips of it. Maybe now it'll tear. Doesn't tear great, but it tears. So instead of tearing it, let's just fold it in half. And fold it in half again. And cut a section. Okay, and we'll see what else we need when the time comes. So we will use this piece that I tore, and then we'll use the piece that I cut. So now all I'm going to do is take some Beacon 3-in-1, and we're just going to start gluing strips of paper down. Doesn't matter. I just want them to be bigger than the back so we can't see the back. That's all I want. So just put down some glue. Ooh, this is strong glue. It's so strong. Now it is going to bleed through because this is very thin, whatever the hell this is supposed to be. Okay, and honestly, I don't even care if a little bit of it peeks out. It's not bothering me. I'm just going to keep grabbing and keep adding. So this one, I'll just tear it this way. And then if you want, you can actually sew them on. We just had this conversation. My sewing machine is nowhere near me anymore. So that's not happening. So you just keep adding little paper strips to the fabric. Now, if I had muslin, wow. If I had muslin, I would use muslin, but I don't. So just add them. Tell me, what's your favorite thing to do with scraps? This is going to leave glue, but I don't... Oh, wait, I have it right here. I'm like, I don't feel like digging out, but I have it right here. From the last time I used it, I never put it away. Like I've been saying in a bunch of videos, this is May. We're in May. I have not been crafting a lot. I haven't had the time to craft, so it's been a little bit. I'm really behind on my videos for this month. You're seeing this. You should be seeing this in June, and I'm very much behind on my videos. So I'm trying really hard to get some videos done. I have not had time. It's been crazy, so I just haven't had time to do any videos. And I haven't had time to like put anything away either. How sad is that? So really, when I do a snippet roll, I just tear and layer. Tear and layer. That's all we're doing. Tearing and layering. I also don't care what... I think I'll do this side.
Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back.
Okay, I was actually editing a video that needs to go out tomorrow. All right, so when I do these, I think I already said that, I'm gonna go that way. I just glue, and that is it. You can sew if you want to. A lot of people, when they make, I might have to just run it through the sewing machine just so it stays. A lot of people will, there's a lot of people that use like adding machine tape because it's very thin. I just have this. I could have used fabric. I have a ton of fabric. Did I want to use fabric? No, I did not want to use fabric. I kind of want to keep the branding strip on. And then when this is all said and done and you're done making your snippet roll, you literally just cut pieces off to use in your journals. That's what it's for, to decorate your journal. Yep, I'm going to have to run this through the sewing machine. Let's see. What else do we got here? I already used that. I like this blue. Let's just use a piece of the blue. I'm really far behind on my videos. I am trying to use everything from when I'm making something so there's no waste and you can see all different ways of making things. I don't know how well I'm doing with it, but I'm trying. And I'm trying to give you different ideas. I'm doing the best I can. Doing the best I can. Then I'll go and I will just sew it down through the middle is what I'll end up doing. Let's see, what is this? Some more star. Should I use the, I'm not really feeling the red and white stripe. So we'll do the stars. Again, that's fine though. Okay, I have this little strip from the branding strip. Let's just take that off. I feel like I kind of want to put that there. You don't have to continually go in order. I'm going to probably add more to this strip. I'll probably end up only doing one strip today. So I'll most likely continue going up and down. And then I can go this way because this, since I ripped it, it narrowed down pretty much over there. So let's just go this way. And then I'll take little pieces and add them on in different spots. Okay, so now I have this little bit of black and white. I think would look perfectly cute right there in that blue and white. So we're just going to put that in there. Let's see, what else do I have? I'm stuck to my glass mat. I feel like that would work there. I would really like to use all of this up, but I don't have the time. I don't have the time, you guys, to stay down here right now. I have so much stuff to do. I'm honestly like sick and tired of doing stuff. I haven't been able to do anything that makes me happy lately. You know? It's been dealing with everybody else and not what makes me happy. Right there, and let's see. anything else? This little strip of star I kind of want to put up there. And then I'm going to pause and go over and sew this standing up so I don't have to pull my chair over. All right, let me see. Let me find the cap. And I will be right back. I'm going to go sew this. Okay, here it is. I just sewed one strip. You can see it better on the back, straight down the middle. And then all you do is literally roll it up. It's called a snippet roll for a reason. It's little, you can then cut it up in little pieces and use it in your journaling. What I do is I roll them up as best as I can. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I take a paper clip and paper clip it down. So then we have a snippet roll. Now, also, if you don't want to use fabric, you can also just use the paper. So I'm going to quickly go through here. Let's trim off, because I said I was going to use up all these scraps. So let's do this a different way and use up all these scraps. I'm literally just going to take a piece of this and we're going to connect another piece. Okay. Another piece. We're just going to go through and add glue. I'm going to make some smaller. I'm going to put it underneath this one so we see that tear. And then I have this one and we're going to tear it down the side because we can do whatever we want. I'm going to put glue right here. Okay. And then, let's see, what else do we have? We have this one. Once again, I'm just going to tear it. I'm going to put it just like so. Let's see, what else do we have? We have this one. This is a good way to do it if you don't have a sewing machine, because you can end up very much gluing it to the paper, and it glues just a little bit better than gluing it on a piece of like that sheer fabric I used. I'm still going to sew this one though, because I've already gone this far. Okay. Then I'm going to take this long strip. I'm going to tear off the branding strip this time, because I'm going to use this entire long strip. Well, I have no idea where I was because my computer just shut the fuck down in the middle of recording. When I tell you I'm angry because I literally just paid off this freaking computer. Literally just paid it off. And it shut down a few minutes like before I started recording while I was editing. And now it's shutting down while I'm recording. Isn't that awesome? Super awesome. So I don't know where I was. I don't know, I might have been saying that if you don't have a sewing machine, this could actually be easier for you. I think I'm just going to put this right in the middle to break up this long strip. And then there, you can do whatever you want. I'm going to do the other side of this though. Like so. I'm almost done. Almost done. I want to use up every last one of these scraps. Every last one, because I told you guys, don't mind my squeaks. I told you I would use up all of these scraps in some way, and this is my way. But you don't have to sew it, I don't think. Like, if you let this dry really well and glue it well enough, I don't think you would have to at all sew it if you don't have a sewing machine. The reason I sewed the other one is because of how thin that this stuff is. So we're going to let's find somewhere. Oh, what about right in here? Sounds good. I am going to though sew this one because I sewed the other one. But if I didn't have a sewing machine, I obviously wouldn't worry about it. However, you guys, if you don't have sewing, like my sewing machine, I bought in 2020 when my last sewing machine broke and I was making masks. So I just bought a new sewing machine, and it's literally the cheapest brother they make. I'm not even exaggerating. Back then it was 66, I believe I paid for it. Now I think it's like 86 because everything's gone up in price. But I use it with paper. I use it with fabric. I just sewed myself not too long ago a little pouch to hold my journaling cards. Like, I use it for, and I've only changed the needle once because the needle broke. So if you think a sewing machine would be great for your crafting, I mean, honestly, just invest in the cheapest one that you can and use it for your paper crafting, because it makes a big difference sometimes. When I do some things, I really like the look of sewing, but I didn't pay much for mine. All right, let me go sew this. Okay, I was struggling a little bit, and then my bobbin thread broke. Stupid bobbin thread. So I'm going to trim some of these off. Okay. And here we go. As you can see, oh, what happened there? All right. I'm once again just going to roll it up into a roll. And then when you want to use them, get up. You just unroll it and cut a piece off and use it to decorate your page. That's all you do. It's so easy. Once again, I'm just going to take a paper clip. Hopefully this one reaches down. There we go. And paper clip it together. And I have 2 snippet rolls from that scraps that I had from the other project, and now I have no scraps left. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.